Hello from the Majaz Waterfront, the heart of leisure and entertainment in Sharjah, UAE. Today, I'll be taking you on a journey through this picturesque destination, where culture meets modernity and tranquility blends with excitement. Welcome to the channel, everyone. If it's your first time, I'm your destination for airline trip reviews and travel videos, so please hit the subscribe button and let's take off together on an incredible journey across the globe. Majaz Waterfront is a treasure trove of experiences, offering something for everyone. Whether you're seeking relaxation, entertainment, or simply a scenic stroll along the waterfront promenade. The area essentially starts all the way from Flag Island in the north and wraps approximately 6 kilometers all around Khalid Lake. We begin our tour at the Al Noor Mosque, located on the eastern side of the lake. The beauty of the Al Noor Mosque is a testament to Islamic artistry and craftsmanship. Every detail, from the geometric patterns adorning the walls to the majestic domes reaching towards the sky, reflects a proud reverence for tradition and beauty. Stretching along the banks of the Al Majaz Waterfront, the promenade is a haven for those seeking relaxation and recreation amidst stunning natural surroundings. Whether you're out for a leisurely stroll, a morning jog, or simply want to soak in the breathtaking views, this is the place to be. From the promenade, you can see the Al Noor Island, which is a lush oasis with interesting art installations and an architectural wonder, the Butterfly House. Check out my full video tour of Al Noor Island at the link above. At the eastern end of the lake, there are waterfront cafes and restaurants serving up delicious snacks and refreshing beverages. Outdoor gyms and sports courts for the fitness enthusiasts. There's something here for everyone. Whether you're craving a leisurely meal with a view or looking to break a sweat, you'll find it all. The beautifully landscaped gardens provide the perfect backdrop for picnics and leisurely walks, while the playgrounds keep the little ones entertained for hours. It's a haven for families and friends to unwind and create lasting memories together. Surrounded by lush greenery and the elegant architecture of the Al Taqwa Mosque, the central fountain at Al Majaz is a sight to behold. Its graceful jets of water dance in harmony, creating a soothing melody that resonates with the soul. As the focal point outside of this sacred place, the central fountain exudes a sense of serenity and reverence. It serves as a symbol of purity and renewal, inviting worshippers and visitors alike to pause, reflect, and relax. So if you're looking for a vibrant destination where culture, entertainment, and relaxation converge, look no further than Al Majaz Waterfront in Sharjah. Come immerse yourself in its beauty and charm. Until next time, happy exploring.